pass it down. I got people here that can help. Crank.
Don't let slack get it. Don't let slack get it. Keep it right this down. Don't let it get too high. Don't get too high. Come on, Frank.
Work your way to this side.
Come on, Frank.
Let no slack go.
Crank. Nice and easy. Put that right here. Stand right here. Just like that. See what? Tight. Crank. Nice and easy. Stand right up against the cover board. Crank as you go. Crank. Turn that handle. Turn that handle. Nice and easy. Keep going. Crank.
Crank down. Hit the rim. Pull it up, crank down. Pull it up, crank down.
Loosen up, relax. Put that rod in between your legs. It's okay. Keep your line tight. It's all good. Get you a bell when we got a second.
I couldn't tell. What?
Are you getting some line? Watch that reel. Make sure you're getting some line. Where's that drag at? Where's that? Hang it.
He's still on strike. He's still right there on strike.
Okay,
Try to
good.
get a little higher.
No. Light leader, so
right.
not a real big fish.
Was it a blue one or?
Yes, blue one.
All right.
Watch
Yeah,
yourself.
about 150 pounds.
Yeah, I see these fish
Crank. Pay
dancing
attention to that
like
thing. I got
this.
this. Pay attention. I got this. Turn the rod right. There you go. Just like that. Keep the same way. There you go. Just like that. There you go. Hold that rod straight up and down. There you go.
Remember that handle is a circle. We'll go back on it. I just want you to turn that handle. Here we go. Get ready. Get your elbow out and chicken wing that thing. Get your elbow out. Crank. Try and stay tight with me. Don't just crank. I'm going backwards. Crank.
He's going backwards. He's backing down.
Here, you don't need to do any of that when I'm going backwards. Just pick up what I'm getting you. There you go.
Turn the handle. There you go. Turn the handle. Nice and easy.
Hopefully it'll
Some
come
good
back up
pictures.
for us here.
He's not getting. No. Hold it like that. Hold it like that and turn. Hold it like that and turn. There you go. Just like
Yeah,
that.
we're going backwards here. So just one.
No,
Just
hold
one.
it.
Look at it.
Turn the handle. Crank. Got it.
Embrace the circle. Turn it like a soul.
Got it. Crank.
Look at him go.
Look at it.
Right. Hold it like this. Don't feel like that. Hold it like that. Now walk to the right. Walk to the right. Walk to the right.
Man, it's a circle, not a square. It's a circle.
What do you think, Trevor?
This is awesome.
Like that. Hey, don't get slack in there. Don't get slack in there. He's going to spit that hook out.
Nice and easy. Great. Come on here to the left. Walk to the left. All in
All right, now just stop. He's not full drag. Just stop. Wait him out. He's gonna come back up and be ready to
Hold it
one.
like that.
When you hear that boat go in reverse, that's when I'm gonna get you some line.